Guys, actually look at how many messages I've got. It's literally 67. And also, guys, I'm also about to go to third C for the first time. Let's go. I don't even know how to get here. I'm just going randomly. So it said talk to an NPC in the Colosseum. I think it means down here. Do you guys know what to do down here? Oh wait, no, I've already opened it. That's surprising. King Redhead, I think? Yo. I'm sad. Why admin? So you can finish. Of course, admin. Huh? Oh, what am I doing? Guys, do you know what this is? I literally don't know. Let's try it. Oh! I think I'm going. Guys, I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win. Trust, guys. Trust. I'm quick. Oh, damn. Never mind. Yeah.